Dear car enthusiasts and valued Trend Auto World viewers, we are truly delighted to welcome you back to another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we are going to introduce you to a true beast. A massive off-road machine that challenges many of its toughest competitors across the globe. In this detailed presentation, we will cover everything you need to know about this powerful vehicle, including its striking design, both exterior and interior, the engine power and horsepower, the fuel type and fuel consumption, its acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, ground clearance, the functions of the tires, the transmission system, the length and width, the cargo capacity, the number of seats, and details about technical maintenance and performance. Before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue bringing you the best content in the world of automobiles. If you're ready, let's get started. History and origins of the Tank 300. The Tank 300 is a mid-size off-road SUV produced by the Chinese automotive manufacturer Great Wall Motors under its Tank sub-brand. It was officially unveiled in 2020 and quickly gained attention for its combination of rugged design, modern features, and excellent off-road capabilities. The Tank 300 was created to bridge the gap between classic off-road durability and contemporary urban luxury, offering a new approach to adventure vehicles. Design and exterior. The design of the Tank 300 merges retro-inspired elements with modern aesthetics. It features a boxy and aggressive silhouette, a prominent front grille, circular LED headlamps, and wide fenders that emphasize its toughness. The bold exterior is built for both functionality and presence, with strong body lines, durable bumpers, roof rails, and underbody protection that make it stand out both on and off the road. Transmission system. The Tank 300 is equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission, engineered for smooth shifting and optimal power delivery. This intelligent gearbox adapts to different driving modes, including normal, sport, snow, sand, and rock, ensuring superior performance on a variety of terrains. Fuel consumption per 100 kilometers. The fuel consumption of the Tank 300 is approximately 10 liters per 100 kilometers under combined driving conditions. This is considered efficient for an SUV of its class, especially one with off-road capabilities and a turbocharged engine. Fuel types. The Tank 300 operates on premium unleaded gasoline, which supports its turbocharged engine in delivering high power output and smooth performance. This fuel type ensures the engine remains efficient and durable under diverse driving conditions. Engine cooling system. To maintain optimal performance, the Tank 300 uses a liquid-cooled engine system. It includes high-efficiency radiators, electric fans, and intelligent thermal management to prevent overheating during heavy off-road use or high-speed driving. Horsepower and engine power. The Tank 300 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 petrol engine, producing 224 horsepower and a peak output of 167 kilowatts. This level of performance provides a perfect balance between city driving and off-road power. The Tank 300 accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 9.5 seconds, which is impressive for a rugged off-road SUV. It is equipped with a high ground clearance, a locking differential, and a low-range gearbox, making it ideal for mountainous, muddy, or sandy terrain. Technical maintenance. Recommended maintenance intervals include engine oil and filter changes every 10,000 kilometers, coolant inspection every 20,000 kilometers, and brake system checks every 15,000 kilometers. The onboard system also monitors key components and provides alerts when service is needed. Regular inspections ensure the vehicle remains in excellent condition and ready for any adventure. Vehicle dimensions and weight. The Tank 300 has been engineered with robust proportions to ensure both road presence and off-road capability. Length, approximately 4,700 millimeters. Width, around 1,960 millimeters. Ground clearance, nearly 224 millimeters. Curb weight, about 2,100 kilograms, which contributes to its stability and durability over rough terrain. Seating capacity. The vehicle offers a 5-seat configuration, with spacious seating for the driver and 4 passengers. The interior provides ergonomic support and high-quality materials to ensure comfort on long journeys or off-road expeditions. Cargo capacity. The Tank 300 offers a cargo volume of approximately 400 cubic liters, with the rear seats up. When the second row seats are folded down, the capacity expands, allowing additional space for equipment, luggage, or tools needed for off-road adventures. Tire functions and capability. The vehicle is equipped with large, all-terrain tires designed to offer superior grip on various surfaces, such as mud, snow, sand, and rocky trails. The tires are complemented by automatic tire pressure monitoring, and the suspension system includes independent front and multi-link rear setups to enhance comfort and off-road articulation. Turning radius. Despite its size, the Tank 300 has an impressive turning radius of approximately 6.3 meters, allowing it to maneuver efficiently in urban settings or narrow trails, improving drivability in tight spots. Lighting and rain sensors. For added safety and convenience, the vehicle features automatic headlight sensors that adjust brightness based on ambient lighting, and rain sensors that activate windshield wipers when moisture is detected. These systems ensure clear visibility in all weather conditions. Zagrushak Parking Assistance System. The Tank 300 is equipped with a comprehensive parking radar system, including front and rear ultrasonic sensors and a high-definition rear-view camera. Some trims may also offer a 360-degree surround view system to simplify parking and low-speed maneuvering. Off-road capabilities. This SUV is built to handle challenging terrain with ease. Key off-road features include 4-wheel drive system with low-range gearbox, electronic locking differentials, front and rear, hill descent control and hill start assist, multiple terrain drive modes, including mud, sand, snow, and rock, wading depth capability of up to 800 millimeters, allowing it to cross rivers and deep water confidently, approach angle of 33 degrees, departure angle of 34 degrees, and a breakover angle of 23.1 degrees, ideal for steep slopes and uneven trails. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the powerful and adventurous Tank 300, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to Trend Auto World for more exciting car reviews. Your support helps us grow and keeps us motivated to bring you the best automotive content. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay driving.